Today is a day of testimonies in Revival Church International.
Give me that crutch. How long did you use this? More than a year.
More than a year, Prophet.
Okay, more than a year. You've been using this. So you could not walk without this.
Ja, ek het in die begin ja, maar toe op reële die ander knie van my die
In the beginning, she can
And
walk
sometimes
without.
you get pains there.
ja.
Huh? Now look here, what I'm doing here. And the pains was here. This knee.
Yes, Prophet, on the right hand side.
So it means you cannot walk straight, you must walk with a stick. Do you believe Jesus Christ can heal you now?
Ja.
Look here. Look what I'm doing here. Walk. Walk faster. Faster.
I have Clara with me. She said for more than a year, she used to walk with this crutch because she did not have balance and she had pains in her right knee, my father. But just now, after you have taken the crutch and tapped it on your knee, she can walk without the crutch. She has no more pains in her right knee. She's walking without the crutch. She can balance on her own. No more pains in
Okay.
her right knee. Hallelujah.
Show us how she used to walk with the crutch. Let's see, show us. Show us how you used to walk. Look there. And now,